So if you're like a lot of immigrants trying to figure out this process, especially with the Trump administration starting back up, you're going to want to listen to this video, okay? So I'm attorney Lee Marvin, and I've been practicing law for over 20 years. I've been specializing in immigration law for over a decade, about 12 years. My main office is in Grand Rapids, Michigan, but I help individuals and families from any state in the country and really any country on the planet. Stick around for just a minute or two to find out the answer to the question. Is it better to apply for citizenship, or can I keep my green card status, okay? So this has been a question ever since these two processes were created, okay? It's, can I keep it? Meaning my green card, can I keep my green card for years and years and years and years and years, or should I apply for citizenship? So I've had clients that were told when they were renewing their processes or entering the United States based on their green card that if you don't apply for citizenship soon, we're going to cancel your process. It's not true, but the fear is still there. So I've had clients asking me for years, what's better? Well, legally speaking, they're both good. It's just obviously citizenship allows you a lot more protection, and you don't have to worry about things like politics. Green card, you have to worry about it because processing times, political executive orders, those things can have an impact on your green card. Even though it says it's legal permanent residency, that's not what it is. You're allowed to stay here in the United States permanently as long as you don't violate the terms of your residency. Citizenship is way different. You become a citizen, you don't ever have to worry about anything unless you committed fraud to get it. And that's a whole different video that I have on my channel. So take a look at that video. It's called Denaturalization. The point is, for the upcoming election, that now has Trump coming back into power in under 1 week. What is best under Trump? Citizenship or legal permanent residency? Again, anything you do now, the decision will be under the Trump administration. So if you're applying for naturalization, which I highly recommend anytime you can, if you meet the requirements, you apply for naturalization because it's the best protection you have. Is there any reason to worry about that now? Well, maybe. Do it if you can, okay? Don't rush and make a quick decision because you think that Trump is going to end your world. That's not how it's going to work, okay? If you're a legal permanent resident and you legally obtain your residency, it doesn't matter who's president. You're still protected, okay? But I always advocate for people for doing things that give them permanency, right? True permanency and true freedom of concern over politics, and that is naturalization, right? You got to make sure that you meet all the requirements so that you can actually get it approved. And I have another video about that, so check my channel for that. But the bottom line is, I wouldn't make any quick decisions, but if you're ready for naturalization, don't wait. If you're deciding whether to file for a renewal of your green card or naturalization, it depends if your green card is going to expire or you're just being proactive. If it's about ready to expire, you apply for that right away. And also apply for your naturalization. You want to be protected. You want your family to be protected. Naturalization is the only true way to be protected for long term, okay? But in the short term, just make sure that your status is good, meaning you're not going to expire anytime soon, and don't sweat things. There's a lot of anti-politics in the news. People are really pissed that Trump is coming back. So careful who you listen to because people are going to pour bad things in your mind because they're being political. I'm not political. I just want you guys to get the best process for yourself. If you have questions about how this stuff relates to you directly, you can click the link below and you can reach out to me. If you like this video or the information that I have in here, you can subscribe. Click the notification bell so you can be notified of other videos. And please, especially now, pay attention to my social media channels because I'm going to be posting videos like crazy. as Trump comes in and takes power and makes changes, you're going to want to know what you need to do to protect yourself and your family. So make sure you're checking out my social media.